KTDA management service fee. Eji ba ko iguana na nechi factory nga we are going to take let's say 2.5%. Bono chi factory ngochora chire they are external auditors. Nechi factory na regwe chore external auditor. So that your interest is taken care of. Bono nya ninche ngo kolere miremo na ande ngwe chore auditor. Na yo go chore auditor so that the auditor is answerable to you. Kwa matenga ndigereria ngo saving to yana mbiyabira. Bona kerego ikaso konyoranga twaikira sabale mubago complain mono iga. Ega ntakara na kiabira nkiringa gati yabarai na baremi communication bona teyo.
Obwere ni bwasarikire.
Bona obo semi ga gati bwasarikire. Ekerogo chagwe bona ngabuna abaremi go bachite gushitukiranga ngaichivest chetu chiachite. Lakini onye ndiri bare go communicate mapema. Kiagara kire company ngo twarere first quarter results, second quarter which is half year, third quarter, then final quarter. By the time we go to declare the final results, umuntu nari prepared ingense mutu ambo bere. Yani tali go chako stukira. Na bamanyete nga gochi mutu achibese ngo chako nyorate nechinke ko bwachiri chala.
Gosenchi kaiyo.
Gosenchi kaiyo.